Mussels. Are they good for you? There are many kinds of mussels, both freshwater and saltwater, but the variety that is most likely to land on your plate is the blue mussel. Also known as edible mussels, these creatures live in a blue-black bivalve shell. The mussel itself is tan-colored and full of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Mussels mostly stay in one place, eating plankton that they filter from the water. Because they are filter feeders, they sometimes consume bacteria and toxins, making them potentially dangerous for you to eat. Cooking destroys the majority of contaminants, but some may remain. Farm-raised mussels grow on ropes that hang in the ocean. They are cleaner because they don't sit on the ocean floor, but they can still contain toxins. The health benefits of mussels are not worth the risks for certain groups of people. Nutrition information. Mussels are nutritionally rich. 1 3-ounce serving of steamed blue mussels contains calories, 146. Protein, 20 grams. Fat, 4 grams. Carbohydrates, 6 grams. Fiber, 0 grams. Sugar, 0 grams. Mussels contain many vitamins and minerals, including iron, vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, potential